This video shows you how to set up your digital multimeter as an ammeter for science practical work. How to set up an ammeter. Before you connect the ammeter to the circuit, you should set it up correctly first. There are two parts to this: the dial and the wire leads, the connectors. The wire leads connect to the circuit. Let's start with the dial first. This dial, you can turn it. When it's switched off, it is in the off position. This is the pointer. To set it up as an ammeter, you turn it to 10 ampere. Turn the dial to point to 10A. This indicates that the current must be lower than 10 amperes, and this is the maximum that the ammeter can take. 10 amperes is actually quite big. In school, you will seldom get more than 1 ampere. And you are set for the dial. For the wire leads, the connections for the black wire lead, the black connector, you connect it to this one, COM minus. You plug in the black connector. For the red connector, you plug it to this one, 10 ADC plus. It's only for the 10A setting. You plug in the red connector. And that's it for the wire leads. Once you have turned the dial to the correct position and plugged in the wire leads, you are ready to connect the wire leads to the circuit that you are interested to measure. And that's how you set up an ammeter.